yourself. You're not waiting for motivation, you're waiting for permission to fail. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why motivation is a trap and what you need to build instead if you actually want to change your life. Here's what most people do. They wake up on Monday feeling pumped. They're going to work out, they're going to eat clean, they're going to crush their goals. But by Wednesday, that fire's gone. The motivation disappeared, and they tell themselves, I'll start again when I feel ready. Let me tell you something, you will never feel ready. Motivation is like the weather. Some days it's sunny, some days it's stormy. You can't control it, you can't depend on it. If you're waiting to feel motivated before you take action, you're giving your power away to your emotions. And emotions, they change every hour. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They build something stronger. They build discipline. So what's discipline? Discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. Here's the truth. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. Think about it. Nobody feels like going to the gym at 5 a.m. Nobody feels like studying after a long day at work. Nobody feels like being consistent when results aren't showing up yet. But disciplined people, they show up anyway. Here's how you build it. Step 1. Start ridiculously small. Don't try to change your entire life overnight. If you want to get fit, commit to 10 push-ups a day, not 100, just 10. Make it so easy you can't say no. Step 2, make it non-negotiable. Treat your commitment like brushing your teeth. You don't wait to feel motivated to brush your teeth, you just do it. Same thing here, lock in a time. Same time every day. Step 3, stack your habits. Want to read more? Read for 5 minutes right after your morning coffee. Want to journal? Do it right before bed. Attach new habits to things you already do automatically. Step 4, track your progress. Get a calendar. Put an X on every day you show up. Don't break the chain. That visual streak will keep you accountable when motivation fades. Step 5, celebrate small wins. Every time you show up, even when it's hard, you're building proof that you're someone who keeps promises to themselves. That's huge. Now, here's your challenge. Pick one thing, not 5. One habit that you're going to do every single day for the next 7 days. Make it small, make it specific, make it impossible to fail, and drop it in the comments. Say, for the next 7 days, I'm going to blank. I'm going to check the comments and hold you accountable. And here's the thing, if you can do 7 days, you can do 14. If you can do 14, you can do 30. And 30 days, that's a transformed mindset right there. The version of you that does the hard things consistently, that person is unstoppable. Remember this, you don't need motivation to change your life. You need discipline, you need systems. You need to decide that your future is more important than your feelings right now. Stop waiting, stop making excuses, start building. If this lit a fire in you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're serious about leveling up every single day. And hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Your mind has no limits. It's time to use its power. Let's go.